Today we about to do the front door on his G37. You see how it's messed up, and you're gonna do the rear. That's gonna be another video because they're both messed up. As you see that? Need a little body work too, but yeah, we're gonna change the front door. Yeah, it don't have any tint on there, so we don't really have to change the window that's on the door. It's like the rear. You see that the rear has a tint, so we have to swap it from the other one. Okay, first things first, make sure you disconnect your negative terminal before you start, because we're going to disconnect the electrical parts, so be safe. Disconnect that. Also, we're going to change the mirror. You see this mirror sucked up. It already has a mirror on here, but I have another one coming because this one's cracked. So this one's cracked over here. Some people won't care about that, but that bothers me. And yeah, it should be it. So swap the door over, and you're gonna swap the panels over. The panel, everything to that one, because that one is dusty. It's ugly. It's not even. You'll see. It's the same process if you was trying to get these off. You got to take off the door panel, or get behind there and do the window regulator. Or you'll need some basic tools. If you have a needle nose, you don't have to be this freaking long. So that 10 mil, flathead, or if you got this, even better. Let's take off this over here, right here. So be 10 mil behind there. Boom. Put that somewhere good. Now, let's take off this panel. This panel off there. All right. Now let's remove all these connectors off there. There's a thing in there. Press down right here, behind here, and right here. Push on those and pull up. Okay, once you do that, there should be two of these here, but I see only one. Take that off. I have to put one there. Find one, find a bolt. Now, if you want, you could use this to pop it out from the bottom. Pop it like that. Okay. As soon as you get a gap, use your finger, your hands, just pull forward. Like so. Okay. So you see it loose like this. See how loose it is? Pull. Push up. Okay. Push up on it. Make sure this thing is all loose over here. Okay. Alright. Cool. Now, clips right here. I had a video on this, how to remove this. Same process. All the most infinities. Okay, now put this panel to the side. We're gonna need it for the next one. If your door light is connected, take it off. Mine wasn't connected. Now you're gonna need a helper. If you don't have a helper, it's gonna be a little hard to do. You have to take off this 10 mil over here. Remove that. Soon you remove the 10 from there, you can open the door wider. Now you could attack these 12 mils over here, so we could take it out just a little bit. Just disconnect this over here. You see this plug? We need to disconnect that. Okay, like I was saying, make sure if you have a helper, it would be nice, because this door is type heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen these 4 right here. Boom, 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 and put it out just a little bit, just to disconnect this one. If you could do it from here, good luck, but I can't do it from there. Let's see. Nope, I'm gonna need some room, so I'm gonna do this. I got one more bolt to go before I take off the door, but I want to try to take this here with a flathead, see if I could take it out, cause it looks like there's some room in there. So see, boom, got it out. See if I could open it now. See, so I'm pulling the door slightly in so I could have a little gap in there. Okay, now let's try to take it out. Okay. All right, nice. I took it out. Okay, now that's out. All I have to do is remove this and remove the door. Okay? Now I don't have to do all that work and hold the door, go take that off. Alright. But if you do, if you want to, you could do that. Have the other person hold the door while you take that off. It's up to you. Okay, door is off. As you see, it is off. Let's put the junkyard one. I got the same color. Thank God I found the same color. And this, I'm gonna strip apart. I'm gonna take everything off this. Then throw this thing in the garbage. Okay. And yes, put this on. Put the bolts on. Put the connector. And go from there. Also, if you're changing the fender, it will be easier right now to do it because the bolts is right here. Easy. You got to take it off. Boom, boom, boom. Over here. And rip it off. Put it on. I couldn't find the same color, so that's why I'm leaving it like that. Because, look, it's bothering me. See that? But if I happen to see the same color, I'm going to have to do it with the door on. Not that bad with the door on, but still. Right now, it will be easy. Alright. Let me put the door on. Okay, I got the door on. Now we could connect this thing. Make sure, don't make a mistake, because if you have the G35 door, these are different. The wiring is way different than in here. So make sure it's a G37 door. If you find out it's a G35 door, make sure you take this, the whole wiring out, and put the G37 wire on there from your old door. Okay, so I don't have to do that because it's already here. I'm just gonna make sure it works, everything works, window works, locks, all that. Let's tighten these bolts and remove the door panel, this door panel. I'm not gonna show you how to remove it because we did it for the first one, so I'm gonna just remove it. Okay, so since this panel was different, it had the buttons on it. As you see, it had the buttons on it, the speaker, all that. The old one does not have that, so you will have to take out the whole wiring. As you see over here, I already did it. I didn't want to make the video too long, so you gotta take that out. It's pretty much common sense. You just follow the wire and you disconnect everything you see that's connected. Take it out. I took it out through the inside of here. Easy. And yeah, see, I got the old one back on there. Wiring, everything's connected good. I tested it. I tested windows. It goes up and down. And yeah, should be it. So I'm not gonna put the door panel back on because I have to wait for the mirror, and I don't want to take off the door panel. Just to take it right back off to put the mirror on. Okay? You probably can put it with the door panel still on, but I'm not trying to risk that. Pretty sure you need the door panel off because it has this thing over here. You see? Door panel sits on here, and we can't use that again because this door does not have a wire for a speaker. Okay? You have to use the old one that's over there with no speaker. When you put yours back on there, make sure everything works. Window, the lock, unlock. Make sure this is connected. Yeah, that's it. Okay, make sure, obviously, you connect your negative terminal back on, test everything, and you should be good. If you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Dream Mechanics. If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.